In today's little tips and tricks, we're going to be looking at Excel and we're going to be looking at the formatting styles. So in previous videos, I've covered things like conditional formatting, which is really incredible. There's so much that you can do with these type of conditional formatting to see and to work with the exceptions in your data. Then of course you can format your data as a table as well, which I'm not sure if I've worked with it yet, but I'm not going to be focusing on that today. What I do want to look at is this, and I call it the good, the bad, and the ugly styles. If I expand this, you'll see that there's actually a lot of styles that you can just very, very quickly pick from. So whether it's headings or titles or even changing the number format, which I think is a lot faster than going anywhere else, very, very quickly to just use these formattings that's preset up for you to use. But you can also set up your own style. So if and I'm going to just call this cupcake because that's what we do. And I'm going to go and change this and say that I want the formatting to be currency. So let's go to number. I'm going to change this to currency. I'm going to change it to ZAR, and I want it to be that minus and showing in red. I'm going to say yes. And then of course I can also set this to say alignment must of course be on the right hand side. Font, I want it to be Sagui. So let's just quickly find that. There we go, Sagui UI, it's regular, it's 11, which is fine. I want borders around it, so outlines. And full, maybe I want to color it that nice light yellow, which is disgusting. You can even set protection on these styles as well. So very, very quickly just set up that custom one. So if I go back, you'll see that there's a formatting now called Cupcake, which very, very quickly formats it to the style that I want to use. That's definitely something that can help you a lot. So if there's specific styles that you use all the time, they'll then show here, which is very cool. You don't even have to open something. You don't have to click extra buttons. So let's just take a look at that again. Let's create a new style. This one I'm going to call Trace. And let's go formatting. I'm going to say this must be also the full. I'm going to make the like kind of red orange. Number must be percentage with 3 decimals. Alignment, of course. Let's see, we can wrap as well. Font again is set to Sagui UI. And then we go for that. So now you'll see that I've got 2 fonts there I can very, very quickly select from. So I can say that this is Cupcake, so this is money, and this is percentage, which is Trace. How incredible is that? Definitely going to save you a lot of time, and I'm sure you're going to go play around with those styles. So you'll find these under the Home tab, and you'll see that this is where you can actually select and say create a new style. Hope that saves you a lot of time, and we'll chat soon.